Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric cargo bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the GoTrex 20-inch folding electric bike. This versatile commuter bike is perfect for those looking for portability without sacrificing performance. It comes equipped with a peak 500-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, enabling a max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles on pedal assist 1 mode. Its foldable design makes it a breeze to store or transport, fitting neatly into your car trunk or subway commute. The dual disc brakes, smart LCD display, and 5 pedal assist levels ensure safety and adaptability for various riding conditions. The design is compact, yet sturdy, with 20-inch tires that handle urban terrain easily. While it's not a heavy-duty cargo bike, its 264 pounds weight capacity makes it suitable for light hauling or groceries. The iron frame and rigid suspension give it a solid feel, but its lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability. Assembly is straightforward, although it does require some setup. The inclusion of a headlight, bell, and rear reflector enhances safety during nighttime rides. The GoTrex offers incredible value for urban commuters and casual riders. However, it falls short in terms of heavy-duty cargo capabilities compared to other bikes on this list. If portability and ease of use are your priorities, this is an excellent choice. Pros include compact folding design, reliable performance, and affordability. Cons are limited cargo capacity and reduced power compared to premium models. Taking the 4th spot is the Narek Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. This bike is designed for adventurers who value versatility, portability, and performance. With its peak 1100W brushless motor and 48V 624 watt-hour removable battery, it achieves a top speed of 28 miles per hour and offers diverse riding modes, including throttle, pedal assist, and walk modes. Its fat tires provide excellent grip and stability on rough terrain, making it ideal for camping, trail riding, or even beach outings. The build quality is impressive, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that folds conveniently for storage or transport. The step-through over design ensures accessibility for riders of all sizes. It's equipped with dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and an M5 LCD display that tracks essential metrics like speed, battery level, and mode. While its 280 pounds weight capacity is solid, it's not tailored for heavy cargo loads, limiting its utility as a dedicated cargo bike. The Narek is a great choice for riders seeking a balance between adventure and convenience. Its foldable design is perfect for RV or car trips, and the powerful motor makes off-road exploration a breeze. However, it may not be suitable for users who need extensive cargo space or ultra-long distance riding. Pros include high motor power, fat tires for all-terrain use, and portability. Cons are limited cargo capacity and slightly heavier weight compared to other folding bikes. At number 3, we have the Etikani 26 electric bike for adults. This bike is a powerhouse, boasting a peak 1500-watt motor and a 48-volt 864Wh lithium-ion battery. With a max speed of 34 miles per hour and a range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode, it's perfect for long-distance commutes or weekend adventures. The fat tires and adjustable suspension fork provide excellent traction and comfort on diverse terrains, whether it's snow, sand, or rocky trails. The design is rugged and well-built, featuring a high-carbon steel frame and reinforced rear rack capable of carrying over 330 pounds. The smart LCD display and Bluetooth-enabled app add a layer of convenience, allowing riders to track metrics, lock, unlock the bike remotely, and even utilize GPS tracking. Safety features like dual hydraulic disc brakes, LED headlights, and brake lights make this bike suitable for night riding and challenging environments. The Etikani is an excellent choice for riders who prioritize speed, range, and tech-savvy features. Its robust design and heavy-duty rack also make it suitable for cargo hauling. However, it's on the pricier side and might be overkill for casual riders who don't need its premium features. Pros include impressive range, advanced connectivity, and heavy-duty cargo capabilities. Cons are higher cost and heavier build. Coming in at number 2 is the e-Biko Peak 5000-watt electric bike. This dual-motor beast is designed for thrill-seekers and adventurers who demand top-tier performance. Its 5,000-watt peak power output enables explosive acceleration and a max speed of 40 to 45 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest e-bikes in its class. The 52V 32 amp-hour lithium-ion battery offers a range of 35 to 100 miles, depending on the mode, and features UL-certified safety standards for reliability. The build quality is exceptional, with a 6061 aluminum frame and all-terrain fat tires that provide stability on snow, sand, and rugged trails. The hydraulic disc brakes ensure precise stopping power, while the lockable suspension fork absorbs shocks for a smooth ride. The integrated rear rack is perfect for light cargo, supporting up to 55 pounds, while the Shimano 7-speed system enhances pedaling efficiency. The e-Biko is the ultimate choice for riders seeking speed, durability, and versatility. Its powerful performance and robust design make it ideal for off-road exploration, commuting, or hauling light cargo. However, its premium price and heavy weight may deter casual riders or those with limited budgets. Pros include unmatched power, extended range, and all-terrain capabilities. Cons are high cost and limited cargo space compared to dedicated cargo bikes. Taking the top spot is the YJ-TAN 1000-watt, 60-volt, 32-amp electric tricycle cargo bike. This bike is the ultimate solution for heavy-duty cargo and passenger transport. With its powerful 1000-watt motor and 60-volt lead-acid battery, it achieves a max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles per charge. The integrated cargo box is spacious and durable, capable of carrying up to 550 pounds, making it perfect for household use, agricultural applications, or small business deliveries. The design is utilitarian yet well-engineered, featuring hydraulic shock absorption for smooth rides and drum brakes for reliable stopping power. The open back body type and integrated punching cargo box make loading and unloading easy, while the hand parking brake enhances safety during stops. This tricycle is built for functionality, with an automobile-grade metal plate frame that ensures longevity and durability. The YJ-TAN electric tricycle cargo bike is the ideal choice for users who need a reliable, eco-friendly alternative to traditional vehicles for transporting heavy loads. While it's not the fastest or most portable option, its robust cargo capabilities and practical design make it stand out. Pros include exceptional load capacity, durable construction, and versatile usage. Cons are slower speed and a heavier build compared to other bikes on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.